everybody, it's such an exciting day today. I'm really, really excited. This is a package that arrived today from Canada. And I know who sent it, and I kind of know what's in it. I've seen photographs, but I guess you really do not know what it is. So let's open it together and let's all be amazed. So I've been dying to open it, but there's been other things that I really had to do. So I've had to wait to open it, and it's just about, it's too much. Okay, so let's get everything out and see what we've got. It's empty now, and then it's wrapped up again. Oh, come on. Let me get into you. I'm so excited about it. I'm trembling. Oh my goodness, I don't want to cut through it. That's a bit better, I think. A bit safer. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Well, corrugated cardboard. That often comes in useful. Oh, look at this. Look at all these. Oh my goodness me. Stencils, stamps, beautiful stencils, and a paper pad. But before we get too excited about all of this, I just want to draw your attention to something. See that? Clear stamp set by Tailor Made Journals. By Tailor Made Journals. Lorna was approached by Creative Expressions to make all of these things, and that I believe in the future there will be more, like dies and embossing folders and things like this. But this is Lorna's very, very first release with Creative Expressions, and I am so proud of her. I really am. It's been months in the making, this, and honestly, when she was first approached, there was so much, should I, shouldn't I, pros and cons, blah, blah, blah. And she went ahead with it, and I'm so proud of her for doing that. So we'll have a look through the paper pad. I'm dying to see what's in there, actually. Let's just have a quick look at what we've got, though. Just beautiful. I mean, you know how beautiful Lorna's stamps are anyway. Just gorgeous. This is the dressmaker with the scissors, needle book, the dressmaker, thread stand, some text, and this dressmaker fitting it to a dummy. This one, haute couture, just beautiful text, beautiful perfume bottle, and a lady. And this one's called La Mode. Beautiful text. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, and these are just so useful, aren't they? Just gorgeous. And then we're into the stencils. This is a DL stencil. And it goes... Which way would you say that goes? I don't know. I think it must be that way. Yeah, it must be that way. And these are like skyscrapers, aren't they? I mean, it's so Art Deco. It's so Art Deco. Then this stencil, lace fragment. Oh, look at this. This is my favourite so far. I adore this. Lace fragment. That is absolutely, gorgeous. Then we've got this, lace crochet. Oh, they just keep coming, Lorna. They're just amazing. They're absolutely amazing. And this one, that's hearts. Oh yeah, very Art Deco as well. Really shabby and really Art Deco, but I really need to look at that paper pad. I certainly do. And then guess what? I need to make a project. So let's open this up and see what delights Lorna's given us to play with. Aren't you proud of Lorna? Oh, I really hope you are. She deserves it, honestly, she does. So let's have a look what we get in here. Painted Garden paper pad by TaylorMade Journals. This pad includes 24 double-sided pages featuring 6 unique designs, 4 sheets of each. Okay, so see what we... Oh, look. Oh, my. And it measures 8 by 8, not including the strip at the top. But I do really like the strip at the top because it says Painted Garden by TaylorMade Journals. I'm never going to get over that. I don't think I'm ever going to get over seeing Lorna's name on it. It's just beautiful. Oh, and look at the back as well. And it smells so lovely. Those of you that like paper will know what I'm talking about. It has that, printed paper has that beautiful smell, and this has got it. Look at that. Oh, look at the little sort of carving of the little putty, I think. And the flowers are, look at it. You could grunge that with very little effort. Oh, the back. Oh, that is so shabby. Look at this. Oh my, I'm sorry I'm so effusive, but I'm not sorry. I'm staggered. I've seen photographs and they just, no, it's so beautiful in real life. Look at the text on the back of that. Oh my goodness, aren't we going to have some fun? This here, is that called a fritillary? Something like that? I don't know. Something like that. But it's on this beautiful background. It's lovely greeny. Oh, how nice is that? And then the back of that, oh, that's a nice delicate little lace pattern. Very nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I'm running out of words. So beautiful. So right up my street. Beautiful. I love the fact that they're just not bright, in-your-face flowers. I mean, they are quite in your face, but they're muted back. They're shabby. They are the definition of shabby. And the back of that sort of the words escaping me. Entry in a something book. You know what I mean. Have we gone round? Yeah, we have. We're coming to all the repeats now. Oh, how beautiful are they? Let me lay out the 6 that you get and see which one I like best. That's the cover. So we'll lay that to one side. Right, so there's this one. Oh, I'm not going to get them all out. That one's got to be a strong contender. I love that. How beautiful are they? How absolutely, stunningly, totally gorgeous are they? They are some of the nicest papers I have ever seen. And I'm not saying that just because Lorna's my friend. I'm saying it because I mean it. I really do. They are fabulous. You know, they're double-sided as well, which for some of the things I do, it's really useful. They're not that awfully heavy card weight either. They're kind of like a thick paper weight. I don't know if it tells you what thickness they are. No, it doesn't, but oh yeah, 150 GSM, which is a nice weight. You could map them onto things, you could just do anything with them. But, you know, out of all of it, I don't know, I think maybe this one is my favourite. Painted Garden by TaylorMade Journals. Yes, look at it. Oh, Lorna, well done. Well done, girl. I know it was so much work, but you know, crafters like me at the end of the day who get hold of this will feel that they've got hold of something extremely special. And it is. It really is. So I'll put those back in there in a little while. But let's have a look through what else we've got. It was my intention to go through this, stamp every stamp out and show you what it was. We'd all go ooh and ah, and that would be that. But there are so many stamps. In this set alone there's 6. In this set there's 5. Excuse me. Too excited. This one there's 6. And they're all so totally usable. You know, clear, cling stamps. Oh, it says, talks about her on the back. Let's read that. It says, Lorna has been an artist her whole life, exploring various forms of art from painting and quilting to photography. Her deep connection to nature fuels her creativity. Nowadays, she's passionate about paper crafting and stamp making while collecting cherished antique documents that inspire her designs. High-quality photopolymer stamps give an excellent image. Carefully peel the stamp from the carrier sheet and place on an acrylic block or stamping platform. Made in the UK. Copyright of Creative Expressions 2023, all rights reserved. And then the Creative Expressions website, which is creative-expressions.co.uk. .uk.com. Let me read that again. creative-expressions.uk.com. And I guess that's where you go to buy them in this country. I can't find them anywhere for sale. I don't believe they are for sale. They've dropped, as they say, yet. If you're in the States, the place to keep an eye out is scrapbooking.com. They are the main sellers for Creative Expressions in America. This one's just, they're all so beautiful. So what is it? Is it four stamp sets? I'll just check. 3, 4. 4 stamp sets. 1, 2, 3, 4 stencils and the very beautiful paper pad. Right, so this is your introduction to it, guys. I will be doing more. I can tell you I will be doing more on this. So I'm going to have to juxtapose it somehow with my Christmas journal. But I really want to use them. They're just singing to me, please stamp me, stamp me. But my favourite of all is this lace fragment one. And I might just have to do a little bit of that right now. Where's the cover to this? I'll do it on the back of the cover. Because I haven't really got any other paper lying around. It's ridiculous. So, oh, I'm so excited about it. So it says about this one the same thing as I've just read to you before about Lorna. Then it says use the complete designs or sections to add interesting effects with your favourite media, including cosmic shimmer inks, paints, pastes and misters, great for card making, journaling, scrapbooking, home decor projects and more. Yeah, well. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's really quite thick. Mylar or whatever, I guess. So I'm just, is there a right and a wrong side? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that you can tell sometimes when they've been cut. Just like when we cut a die ourselves, you can see which is the right and the wrong. So I think, I don't know which way is up now. I don't think it's going to matter much. The colour that I've got out at the moment is Bundled Sage, so let's use that and just see what we get. Oh, it works perfectly with these brushes. If you guys have got these brushes, they're fabulous with it. Goes through trouble-free. This would be perfect with, you know, well, as Creative Expression say, any of their pastes or anything like that, or any of the Timmy, anybody's pastes. I will remind you, however, if you're using pastes, hello words, where have you been? Pastes, do wash off your stencil after you've used it. Ink is fine. I never clean my stencils when I've been just using ink. I'll just do a little bit more because I'm kind of addicted to it now. Just want you to get the idea of how wonderfully clever our friend Lorna is. I mean, you've all seen her journals. You know she's a talented girl. But my goodness, it's just, well, it's more than I expected. It's everything I expected and more, let's put it that way. And you can see it's taken her so long to do it. There we go, so I'll just do that half. A little bit up there, I missed maybe. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That is so far up my street. I've driven into a cul-de-sac. You can't get any further up my street. I absolutely adore that. I adore it. Yeah, that's my favourite out of the whole set. But, you know, maybe when I start working with the rest of the set, I will change my mind or have multiple favourites. Let's pop that back in there. Keep it safe. There we have it, lace fragment. Isn't it beautiful? But you can imagine what the others look like. And in time, I will go through them all with you. I promise. I mean, that one is just glorious, isn't it? What a background you could make with that. So, there we have it. You've seen my beautiful gift from Lorna. And if you want it, I think you're going to have to wait a little while, but I don't know how long. I'm sure Lorna said the end of the month. So maybe just even a few days, I don't know. Look at all these stamps. They are absolutely so typically Lorna. They really are. You know, she hasn't sold her soul out and come up with something that's not her. This is very, very definitely Lorna. And for all of you, the people, and I know there are many, that save and collect the stamps that Lorna puts out herself under her own name, I know you'll just be champing at the bit to get these. And why would you not? They're just gorgeous. But I would say to you, don't look at the stamps and not look at the stencils, because they're gorgeous. I mean, that lace fragment, oh, beautiful. And this one I know is going to be lovely as well. They're all lovely. And, you know, whilst you're ordering, pop in one of these pads. They're sensational. I mean, they're sensational. I'm going to leave those on my desk. Catkin can't get in here, so they're safe. And I shall look at them again later on and see if I can come up with something to do with them, to show them off to you. Boy, oh boy. Too good. Too good. Well, thanks for joining me through that. Very exciting. I mean, really exciting. My mind is blown. And my words seem to have deserted me. But, you know, Lorna, well done. Congratulations. I know it will sell well for you. I just know it. It's, how could it not? It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. So, hats off, Lorna. And to everybody else, keep an eye out in the States, keep an eye out at scrapbook.com. And in the UK, I would just keep an eye on the Creative Expressions website, and I'm sure that they'll tell you when they are available to buy. So thanks for joining me during this really exciting thing. And I'll see you all again really soon. Bye for now.